Hey guys, Epicness here, and today I'm going to record some Black Ops 2 League play. I haven't recorded too many of these, and I haven't recorded in months. So, yeah. Yeah. No, ArcShady's mom does not play this game. Yeah, as you see, my mom just left Xbox Live Party, so yeah. We're playing with this random right here. Is he pretty good, Shady? Alright, we got a whole team. This is a nice little emblem. Oh crap, my camera angle's not good. Yeah, there. Okay, does that show everything? Let me see. Yep, it does. Alright, good. Good, I have a good camera angle. Okay, so, standoff hardpoint. This map I could go off on. Yeah?
I invited a random on our team.
Okay. Good, so we might have another guy in this party. These are my classes, so yeah. I have Kawaii camo on these because I like it. Yeah, I play Anchor because I just find it the best role. Yep. Start off right off the bat with the two-piece. That was a good angle. Oh, I'm wrecking. Perfect time to record. Another guy out wall. Yeah. Bro, I just got off to like a crazy start. Oh, nice. We got the flank. We got the flank spawn. I'm going to go up top. Alright, yeah, I'm starting to suck now. Alright, but whatever. Wow, we're losing? Okay, get in, get in, get in! What?! Yeah, we need to rotate. You guys already rotate? Okay, good. I need to get haystacks. Oh, crap. Don't challenge them if they freaking, like, rush at you. Don't challenge if they're in the hard point. Keep the hard point contested here. I got both. You mean bottom or top? Hey, guy trying to climb up. He's trying to climb up. Nice. Seems like a good game. Yeah. It's like in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, they're already in grandma's. They're already in grandma's. One guy gonna probably be camping up top stairs. I got one. Okay, good. I'm too good. Yeah, watch out for the shotgunner. Stay in as many long-range battles with him as possible. What? Oh, bro, what? It's freaking derped out right there. Oh, God, bro. Yeah. I better not freaking play that dirty. Oh, you killed him. Got him. One more. Oh god. Okay, okay, coming in from haystacks. Better not kill you. Good flank. Oh, what? Bro! Bro, sometimes I just hate the M81. Sometimes it just gives up on me. Yeah, bro, we might lose this game. We could come back right here. We haven't been doing good since like the beginning of the game. Getting was our best part. No one's L wall. Oh. Come on, guys. Oh, yeah, really? Guys, everyone get in. Oh, he's in the freaking hardpoint, man. Bro, how? What? Bro, the 1 second I move out, he just comes in. How come my freaking timing is so bad? My timing is like so bad all the time. Like, oh, hot a war machine. I'm going negative now, really? Nice. Okay, nice. All 4 dead, all 4 dead. Don't challenge, just like keep it contested. Come on, guys. It's the hard point. Oh god, bro. My aim is so freaking bad. He's gonna go up top. He's up top. He's up top. He's going in. Nice. Nice. Come on. Come on, we could get the lead back. He's went over the wall. He's climbing up. Nice, come on. This is our hard point right here. Another guy in the window. Get in, get in. Here it is. Come on. Change the game right here. Shock the world. Come on. Everyone get in here. Don't even... Another guy coming for boxes. Boxes. Oh my god. We lost that hard point that fast right there. Bro, we lost that hard point that freaking fast. Oh, bro! They don't die! Holy crap! Nice. Hey, they're all rushing boxes right now. They all are just gonna rush boxes. No! Oh! Unstoppable. Hey. Probably. Hopefully. Come on. We're going to do an epic hardpoint comeback. Come on. I want this to be a good video. Not one of us losing. Come on. Come on. One guy. Oh, you can't lose it. Oh, yes. Come on. Win another gunfight. No. No. I could rush up top. Yeah, he's boxing.
I'm getting my ANL.
Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, they're just gonna spam it. Come on. Next hard point, next hard point. Try to contest that. Let's go. Come on. Oh, dude, they're all going in. Yes, I got one in. I got one in there. Let's go. Come on. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Epic ending. Go. Come on. Oh, baby. We just took the lead. Oh, one guy coming in from gas. Oh, Shady. Winning gunfights. Come on, Shady. Let's go. No, he's up top. He's up top. No, 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 no. No. Come on, come on, come on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. It's not over. It's not over. It's not over. It's not over. Let's go. Let's go. We won. Oh, that's going on YouTube's, baby. Oh. Oh. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Oh, baby. Epic comeback. Oh, baby. Oh. Oh, God, baby. Oh. Shady, you went off. You went off in that last part right there. Oh, see ya, guys. That was amazing. Oh.